Sathya
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Today I will start the concept of limit. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
This is your second topic, and this is concept of limit and rate of changes or rate of measurement have completed. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, first of all, I want to say what is the limit. It is very important. What is the limit? Okay. If you say, if any student got marks 90.001%, so that you can say, sir, this is approximately 90%. You can say, and any student got 89.999%, you can say approximately 90%. Got it?
Yeah.
So that you see that here, this is just greater than 90%. Just greater than. Why? This is just less than. Just less than. So that limit is only approximate value, which is just less than or greater than, both are equal, then limit exists. Okay. And this less than is known as, I will solve by graphically. This is just practically. Just less than is known as LHL, left hand limit. And this is known as RHL, left hand limit. When approximate value of LHL and RHL are equal. Are equal. So you can say limit exists. Got it? LHL is not equal to RHL, then limit does not exist. Does not exist. Write down. You write down just this part.
Okay, sir.
This
Yes.
is your example so that you can see.
Okay.
LHN and RHN equal, then limit exists. Otherwise, it does not exist. Okay. Now, you see the example by graphically. If you take graph this, you know, this is known as x-axis. This is known as y-axis. Here it breaks at x is equal to 0, and this is origin. You can say that it will be less than 0 or greater than 0. Tell me. Left side, it will be less than 0. Why? Because here it is negative and here it is positive. You know that?
Yes, sir. Yeah, positive and negative. Yes.
-1, -2. Okay, this is known as coordinate axis. So that it is just less than 0. So that this is known as left hand limit because of This is from your left. And this is RHL. RHL. So that this is known as and this is known as 0 plus. What is 0 minus? It means just less than 0. What is 0 plus? Means just get 0. Got it?
Yeah.
And again, this statement is correct when LHL is equal to RHL, then limit exists. If not equal, then does not exist. Okay? You draw this graph.
Understood. Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Now, I'm taking some example. That is, first of all, sorry, write down for theoretical part, limit notation. Limit notation. You write limit can by writing limit x tends to a plus x tends to TEN TEN. It means just a greater than a and just less than a. This is known as limit of fx as x approaches the value of a from the can you complete right or left this statement? You complete
Right.
right. Very good. Because of this is a plus. Okay.
Yeah.
Now limit x tends to a minus. All part will be same. Only it will be changed and it will be left. Okay. And last line is you wrote again limit x tends to a LHL is equal to RHL, then limit exists. Limit exists. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am taking two or more examples. You just write down. First of all, you will show limit x tends to 1. And here you write x plus 1. Okay. Just
Yeah.
you watch what is happening. Now, tell me, you have to check which value, LHL and RHL. Got it? So that you will take x is equal to 1 plus h. For which value? RHL or RHL? RHL. Where h tends to 0. You know, if 0 is added to a number, then it will be remain constant. So that when you will add 0 to 1, it will be 1. Okay? But 1 plus 0, it will give 1 plus. Got it? Sathya, this point I am telling again. You write down 1, only 1, then it is just equal to 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 1. But in the case of limit, if you write 1 plus 0, it means you add something. You can say 0 to 1 so that it will be greater than 1. Got it? Now you can say, sir, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Yes, it is true. But in the case of limit, you can write 1 is equal to 1.1.000000008. It will approximately 1, but
Yes.
it is actually greater than 1.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that this is known as 1 plus. Got it? And 1
Okay.
plus means greater than 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that 1 plus 0. Since you add 0, so that we take h tends to 0. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Because here it is h. Again,
Okay.
you will write, now question will be changed. H is equal to 0. Okay? And you will put x is equal to 1 plus h plus 1. It will be equal to limit h tends to 0, h plus 2. Now, when you will put h is equal to 0, then it will be 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. This is RHL. Okay?
Sir,
Now,
can you repeat this?
yeah, you put x is equal to 1 plus
Yeah.
h from here,
Yes, sir.
so that this is 1 plus h and this is 1. Now,
Okay.
after that, you will put h is equal to 0.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, we can do
So
that.
that it will be 0 plus 2. It will be equal to 2.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
It will be RHL.
Yes, sir.
Now, you take LHL. Write down here. x is equal to 1 minus h, where h tends to 0. Got it? 1 minus h, it means it is just less than or greater than? Less
It
than.
will be less than.
Just less than 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you will put x is equal to 1 minus h. You will write limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h plus 1 equal to 2 minus h. When you put 0, then it will be equal to 2 minus 0 equal to. Now, LHL is equal to RHL? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that limit exists and its value is 2. Okay. You write down. After that, I will explain by this question by graph.
Okay. Yeah, done, sir.
Now, plot the graph of this question. What was the question? Y equal to x plus 1. So that if you put x is equal to 0, then y equal to 1. You put 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. When you put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. And y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Any problem?
So can you repeat?
Yes. This is the quadrant. This is the quadrant. And you have to sketch the graph on this quadrant. It means first you will put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
And when you put y equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. How?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
So that the graph of this line is this. Okay.
Okay.
And you see that this is 1. This is 1. Okay. Now, you have to find the value of x plus 1 at the point x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So that this point, you see that if you take x just greater than 1, then it is approximately 2. And when you take just x is less than 1, then it is approximately 2. So that final value will be what? 2 at x is equal to 1. Okay. And graph is continuous from x is equal to 1 to infinity or minus 1 to infinity. This is the graph of x plus 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, from the graph, can you say that it is also continuous at x is equal to 0? Sorry, it is limit at x is equal to 0 because of it will be 1. When you put x is equal to 0, it will be 1. So that 1. Okay?
So y equals 1. Yes, sir.
Yes, y equal to 1. This is known as limit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take two examples. Write down limit x tends to 2 root of x minus 2.
So won't it be 0 or something?
Yes, its answer is 0 because of when you put 2 minus 2,
Yes, sir.
it will be 0. Okay?
So is that it? Is that how?
Yeah, you can, first of all, you take x is equal to 2 plus h.
Yeah.
It will be 2 plus h minus 2. It will be h and it will be 0 equal to 0. Okay?
Yeah.
And if you put x is equal to 2 minus h, then you will also get 0 because of minus into 0 equal to 0. What we will put? X is equal to 2 minus h. 2 minus h minus 2 equal to minus h is equal to 0 equal to 0. Yes.
Yeah.
So that limit exists and its value is 0. Got it? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm solving another question. Write down limit x tends to 5 x plus 5. You will take both LHL and RHL.
Okay. So I put x as 5 and I got 10. So
Yes.
After that, should I put
Yeah. Again, 5 plus h and 5 minus h.
so should I do that for all the questions, or is it only
Yes. No, all questions.
okay? So for finding the limit, we should have 3 steps for
Yes.
x
No,
plus
only 2
5.
steps, LHL and RHL.
Okay.
You got 10 in both cases.
No, sir. I
First of all, you will write limit h tends to 0. It means 5 plus h plus 5 is equal to 10 plus h is equal to 10. This is for RHL. Again, limit h tends to 0, 5 minus h plus 5 is equal to 10 minus h is equal to 10 is equal to LHL. So LHL is equal to RHL. So that its value is 10. Okay.
okay, yes, sir.
Okay. Now write down topic finding the instantaneous rate of change using limit using limits. Finding the instantaneous rate of change using limits. Okay.
Yeah.
Now write down the formula limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now write a question. Find the instantaneous rate of change of the following function.
Okay.
Following function. That is fx is equal to x square minus 4 at x equal to 2. Here, fx plus h, you will find, I am solving this, you can limit h tends to 0. And here it is f of x plus h. And here x will be 2 plus h. So that you will write 2 plus h whole square minus 4 and minus 2 square minus 4 divided by h. You got this statement? No. I'm explaining. Actually, this is fx equal to x square minus 4.
Yes.
When you put f of x plus h, it means you will put x plus h at the place of x. Yes? You know this part? X plus h. Got it?
Yeah.
But here, what is x? 2.
2.
So that you will write 2 plus h. It will be equal to 2 plus h whole square minus 4. Okay.
Okay.
You put x is equal to 2. Again, here, you have x is equal to 2. Put here f equal to f2 equal to 2 square minus 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from the formula, you put here, you write down. First of all, you write down till here.
Okay. So yeah, I'm done writing. I don't.
You are writing? Okay, writing.
No, I finished writing.
You have written?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm done.
Okay. Now solve.
Okay.
I'm solving here, okay? Just
Okay.
see. Limit h tends to 0, 2 plus h whole square minus 4 minus 2 square plus 4 by h. Got it?
Yeah.
You know how it comes 4 plus 4?
Yes, so minus into minus.
Yes, very good. This cancel. Now you put limit h tends to 0. Solve this. 4 plus h squared plus 4h minus 4 by h. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This 4 minus 4 cancel. Again, limit h tends to 0, h into h plus 4 by h. This h cancel. Equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Any problem?
No, sir. So will h always be 0 or will it change?
Yeah, always 0, always 0. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is for from your syllabus and topic, but sorry, what is the name I am saying?
So Sathya.
Yeah, Sathya. You just see your first lecture. When I differentiate this, that differentiation will also give 4. Just you see. What was the differentiation of x squared? It will be 2x.
Yes, sir.
This was the first lecture.
Yeah.
It will be 2 x raised to power 2 minus is equal to 2x. And you will put x is equal to 2 equal to 4. So that I have given here 4. This is your basic concept. in your book or assignment, and this was the from the differentiation. Okay.
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, that is basic difference. So that you have to solve any question by this method which you have taught today.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, not a first class method.
okay, yes, sir.
So that you have to solve by this method.
Okay.
Okay, write down. Have you any assignment or any paper from your textbook or from this content?
Yes, sir, there is, I think there's one
Okay,
sign.
you will send to madam.
Okay, okay, yeah, I will do that.
Because of I just want to see that up to which level and up to which state you have to study.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, that's why I am asking you. You will send.
okay, sir.
You have written.
Oh, yeah, done, sir, I'm done.
Done. Okay. Now evaluate the following limit. Following limit. First, limit x tends to -2 and x square minus 4x plus 1. So that here you will put direct -2. It will be minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 2 plus 1. It will equal to 4 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay. You can
Yeah,
put direct value. Now, second question. Limit x tends to 4 root over x square minus 7 plus 3. Tell me what is your answer?
1 minute, sir.
Except trigonometric function, you have to study all parts from the limit except trigonometric function.
Okay,
Yes. What happened for this answer?
1 minute, sir.
You will put x is equal to 4 only.
Okay, so I got 6.
You got 6. Very good. It will be 6. Okay. Now I am solving example that is not exist. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Write down a question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus e raised to power 1 by x by 1 minus e raised to power 1 by x. You know, if x tends to 0, then 1 by x tends to infinity, or 1 by infinity is equal to 0. It is 0. You know all of these? No.
No, no, sir.
Okay. You know 1 by 0 is not defined on infinity. Both are same. You
Okay.
see, it is infinity. And 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. This is the definition. Now, when have you seen anytime e? This is exponential. E raised to power x. And its graph is this. E raised to power x. Okay. Now, first of all, you take LHL. Limit x tends to 0. For LHL, what will you put? X is equal to 0 minus h or 0 plus h? For LHL.
0
Minus
minus.
h.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, 1 plus e raised to power 1 minus 1 by g, 0 minus h. 1 minus e raised to power 1 upon 0 minus h. Got it? Limit h tends to 0. 1 plus e raised to power minus 1 by h by 1 minus e raised to power minus 1 by h. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. You know this concept? X raised to power minus 1 is equal to, you can write 1 by x. This is known as reciprocal. You don't know?
Yes, I know that. I know the -1.
You know? Okay.
Yeah.
So that here, you can write limit h tends to 0, 1 plus 1 by e raised to power 1 by h by 1 minus 1 by e raised to power 1 by h. Got it? From this formula.
1 minute. So
Yes, you see that? If you write here x raised to power minus 2, then you can say it will be 1 by x raised to power 2. Yes or no?
yeah.
So that here it e raised to power minus 1 by h, it will be 1 upon e raised to power 1 by h. No. Again, I am saying that e raised to power minus x is equal to 1 by e raised to power x or not? You tell me.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So that e raised to power minus 1 by h equal to 1 by e raised to power 1 by h or not?
Yes, sir. Can be. Yes, sir.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you tell me if x tends to 0, it means h is equal to 0, so that 1 by h equal to 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Yes?
1 by 0, yes, sir.
Okay. Now, e raised to power 1 by h is equal to e raised to power infinity is equal to infinity because of e greater than 1. And actually, e lies between 2 to 3. So that it will be infinity. E raised to power infinity equal to infinity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. I'm asking a question. If you take 1.5 raised to power infinity, it will be infinity or not? How? 1.5 multiplied by how many times? Infinite times.
So that will be infinity.
So that you can say it will be infinity.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you know 1 by infinity is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So that here you can write 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is LHL. Again, first of all, you write down till here.
Okay, yes, sir. Yeah, done, sir.
Then. Okay. Now I am taking an RHL. We will take for RHL x is equal to 0 plus h.
Yeah.
It will be limit s tends to 0, 1 plus e raised to power 1 upon 0 plus h by 1 minus e raised to power 0 plus h. You see? Yes. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Now, limit s tends to 0, 1 plus e raised to power 1 by h by 1 minus e raised to power 1 by h. Got it? Yes, 0 plus h is equal to h.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, divide by e raised to power 1 by h to numerator and denominator. You can see that here it will be limit h tends to 0. It will be 1 by e raised to power 1 by h plus 1 by 1 by e raised to power 1 by h minus 1. Any problem? If you divide e raised to power 1 by h, numerator and denominator both, then it will be cancelled. If you're getting problem, then I will explain briefly. Otherwise, you got it?
No, sir, please explain.
No. Okay. I am telling 1 plus e raised to power 1 by h by e raised to power 1 by h upon 1 minus e raised to power 1 by h upon e raised to power 1 by h. You can say if you divide both the numerator and denominator, question will be unchanged. Okay. Have you got any problem?
So are we doing the taking LCM on the numerator and denominator?
Not a LCM, just a divide. If you take another example, if you take x by y, okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
want to divide by 2 by numerator and denominator, so that you can take x by 2 divided by y by 2.
Oh, yes,
Ye-
yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Then question will be unchanged.
Yes, sir.
So that I divided by numerator and denominator e raised to power 1 by h. Got it?
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Now separate 1 by e raised to power 1 by h plus e raised to power 1 by h upon e raised to power 1 by h. Any problem? Okay. If you take x plus y by 2, you cannot write x by 2 plus y by 2.
We can write, right, sir?
You can write.
Yeah.
So that here you see that you can write by separately 1 by
Okay.
e raised to power 1 plus. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, again, from the previous part, here it will be 0 and it is also 0. You will put here. It will be 0 plus 1 upon 0 minus 1. It will be equal to minus. It is 1 and here it is minus 1. Is LHR RHL are equal?
No, they're not.
No. So that limit does not exist. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Limit does not exist. You see that because you have no questions, this type of question, but one example I took because of you know that there are many examples which does not exist for limit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is just for you for knowledge, not for your examination. Now I am taking other example which is from your booklet and assignment. Okay, write down.
So 1 minute, I'll write this.
No, it is not necessary for you. Just
Okay.
you remember this. Okay.
Okay.
Write down, and you will put direct value, not LHL and RHL. X tends to 2, 3x divided y, x square plus 2. Tell me answer.
So I got 1.
1. 3 into 2 divided by 2 square plus 2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that 6 by 4 plus 2
Yeah.
equal to 6 by 6. It is
Yes,
1.
sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question.
So don't we have to do
No, not LHL and RHL. You have to put direct value.
okay, okay.
Limit x tends to 9 root x plus 1 by root x whole square. Your question paper will be subjective or objective.
So I will check and let you know.
Okay. You will send to madam. If it
Yeah.
will be subjective, then you have to explain by previous question. H minus 0 minus h 2 minus h.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Otherwise, if it is objective, then you can put directly.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me the answer of this question.
Yeah.
Three
One
plus
minute.